In the next few minutes, I am going to review a system of wealth that exists right in front of you, yet remains invisible to 99% of the population. When most people see their smartphone as a tool for social media or a device that drains their bank account through data and airtime, a selected group of insiders has turned this daily habit into a lifetime residual income. This is not the usual business model you know. This is a legalized system for tapping into the essential services that keep Africa running. Let's look at the numbers. In 2024, the Nigeria telecommunications sector alone generated over 7.7 trillion naira in revenue. The giant companies like MTN and Airtel rake in an average of 10 billion naira to 20 billion naira daily from airtime and data alone. The utility monopoly electricity distribution company DISCO collected over 1.5 trillion naira in just the first 8 months of 2025. The education gatekeepers, millions of students sit for WAEC and JAMB annually, generating billions in processing fees. The question is, who is earning this money? It is the founders and the aggregators, licensed organizations and banks you see on your mobile apps who have legally tapped into this flow. These aggregators earn estimated hundreds of millions monthly by just facilitating the transactions. To own a business like MTN and Glo, you need millions of dollars in licenses, billions in infrastructure, towers and fiber optics, and thousands of staffs. Even to become a major distributor or aggregator with the banks, you need a minimum capital of 50 to 100 million naira, specialized software and heavy legal compliance. This high wall is why the average person is usually left out until now. What if I told you that the same legal channel used by the banks and major aggregators is now open to you? This is insider information that allows you to build your own digital distribution system across Nigeria and other African countries. Instead of needing 100 million naira, you can leverage a pre-built system that connects you directly to the service providers. While the founders spent billions, you can start this exact project today with just 100,000 naira or approximately $70. This money isn't a fee to me. It is your capital to build your system with a world-class technology company that handles the heavy lifting where you reap the commissions. Your wealth is not built on a one-time scale. It is built on usage. Millions of people wake up every morning and buy data. They pay for electricity. They subscribe to cable TV. Every time someone in your system makes a transaction, whether you are sleeping, traveling, or spending time with family, a commission is triggered. You are tapping into a river that never runs dry. Here is your command center. As you can see on the dashboard, this single portal connects you to every major network in Africa: Airtel, Glo, MTN, 9mobile and Smile. From here you can facilitate airtime and data, high-speed top-up for any subscriber, utility bill, instant payment for electricity, and TV subscription, DSTV, GoTV and StarTime. Education, direct processing for WAEC and JAMB's PIN. You are no longer just a consumer, you are now a digital infrastructure owner. Every service you see here is an essential commodity that people cannot live without. Look closely at the commission history or wallet session. This is where the magic happens. Every time a transaction is made through your system, whether by you or by a member of your growing network, a commission is instantly dropped in your wallet. You might see 1 naira, 5 naira or 100 naira per transaction. This may seem small until you multiply it by the millions of people using this service daily. While a traditional job pays you once a month, this system pays you every time someone's data expires or their lights go out. In a market where Nigeria Telecom alone generated over 7.67 trillion naira in 2024, there is never a shortage of transaction. People often ask, when does the money stop? The answer is simple. The only time you stop earning is when people stop using their phone and electricity. Can a student stop needing JAMB or WAEC? No. Can a business survive without data or power? No. Will people stop calling their loved ones? Never. Because the usage of this product is non-negotiable, your income is residual and lifelong. This is the insider secret that the wealthy have used for decades. This dashboard represents the fundamental difference between the 95% who struggle and the 5% who thrive. The 95%, the laborer, the employee, they exchange their time for money. If they don't work today, they don't earn. Their income is limited by their own physical energy. The 5%, the system builder, the rich build or buy into systems that send them money daily, regardless of their physical presence. Like the owner of MTN and Airtel, they don't have to be present for you to buy airtime. They earn where they sleep because the system does the work. By setting up this portal with your 100,000 naira or $70 capital, you are officially stepping out of the labor trap and into the system ownership brackets. You are tapping into a digital infrastructure that works for you 24/7 a day, 365 days a year. I am ready to guide you through this setup to ensure your business name and portal are registered correctly within the telecommunication system. I need you to send the following details to me immediately: full name, email address, business name, or your intending business name or username, phone number, country. Your journey to building lasting wealth through systems starts here. Let's build your future together.